Hey guys, today we're going to be removing side panels on this Canon PIXMA G3270 printer. By removing the panels, you will have access to inside of the printer and to some of the parts. So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start with the right side. Keep in mind that this is a MegaTank printer, so you do not want to put the printer on its side or put it on its back. You just want to keep it as upright as possible. We will be using a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, we need to remove this front cover. We're going to use flathead screwdriver for that. And just lift the printer a little bit, and you will see clips on the right and left side. Go ahead and open the top cover, and we can just remove this. We're going to go to the back of the printer and remove the two screws. You will see this arrow inside of the printer when the cover is open, and you will need to just use a flathead screwdriver to go in there to release the panel right here. So you can see that it releases, and then you'll just push it with your hand, with your other hand, to remove it. There's more clips at the bottom. There's going to be a clip in here and another one in here. So while you make sure the top clip is still open, you're going to go ahead and hold the panel and just press these two of the ones that I mentioned. There we go. You can see that it releases that already, and we have another one right here, and got our panel off. Kind of take the bottom portion out first, and there you go. Just to give you a better understanding, this is the clip on the bottom, and this is the second one that we pressed in, and this is the top clip right here. And that gives us access to this side of the printer. We have the ink tubing right there. That's waste ink right there that goes to the waste ink pad box. Carrier unit is right here. That's with the print head. The mechanism that may get ink clogged on it. So if you're doing that to clean it, make sure you have your print head kind of in the middle before you unplug the printer, so you can have access to cleaning this area right here. If you feel like any of the tubes are disconnected, ink tubing is located in this area. You can see some of it right there. Putting the panel back on is very simple. All you do is just slide it in here, clip the bottom in, and slide this in. It already clipped in up top. Just put this one up top like that, and then push it in at the bottom so it clips in at the bottom there. And it's all back to place. You will see that there isn't any gaps here, and same thing with the back. And then we're going to put our two screws back in. There we go. Now we're ready to do the other side. Let's also go ahead and open the top. We will first remove this front plastic cover. So similar concept, like I said. You'll see two clips right there. Just go ahead and move that. There we go. Just pops off like this. Going to the back of the printer and removing the two screws. The locations of clips on this panel are going to be a little bit different than what we had on the right side. We have clips, one in here and one in this. We have a clip in here and here. So we're just going to go ahead and push up on it and try to pull the panel away gently. There we go. Do the same thing on here. You can always have this on the edge of the table or off the edge of the table and do that. I'm just doing it this way so I could better show you what I'm doing. And when you got the two clips off, you're going to get that cover open. You're just going to pick it up, push it up a little bit, or push it down a little bit, take it out like that. What's happening is this tab right here, it's hooked onto this, so that's why you kind of need to push it down. There aren't any clips up top except this one right here, which is accessible from here. When you lift it, you can go ahead and press the flathead screwdriver in here, and that will release this clip right here, which we didn't need to do, since the bottom clips let our panel go this way, and that released that clip on the right as well. So on this side, we have the power supply unit. The main board is located right here. We have the gear assembly on this side as well. I'll post a link if we do a full disassembly of this printer model. Let's go ahead and put this panel back on. Let's hook this tab in here. So we're going to go like this. Bring it up, make sure our clip that's on the right on this side is in its spot. Lift the printer a little bit. That's there. There we go. It just clips in like that. Just hang this cover back up top and then snap it in on the bottom. And the final step is just to put our screws back in. And we're all done. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and have yourself a wonderful day.